Hello everyone, in today's video I bring you another game for the Nintendo Switch. Remember, these games are PC versions, most of them, or are other versions that are not available. The one that I bring you today is Hurricane. It's a very awesome game. This is the one that I'm talking about. I'm gonna show you the gameplay. So if you are a fan, if you're a lover of Contra, this game is gonna be for you. So wait for a little bit while it is loading. As you can see, Hurricane. I'm gonna start the game. Yeah, one player, normal. So I cannot make the screen, I cannot make full screen, but it doesn't matter. All what I have, all what I care is the fun that you will get. So it's loading. As always, I'm gonna leave in the description the link for you to download it. Download it. So the game is loading. For some reason it is taking long. I'm trying to be as brief as possible because these videos are just for you to get the fun. Okay, as I said, this is like a control game. Okay, if you enjoyed the game, if you want to try it, just don't forget to subscribe and give me thumbs up. See you next time.